Today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your avatar on the TwinFlame app. And first you're going to want to go to Profile Settings, and then from there select Avatar. Now we're in the Avatar zone, and first you'll select from these 6 faces. I'm going to stick with this simple one right here. But that's not all, there's also this color slider up here next to your avatar. You can move the slider up and down to land on a color. Then you can also pull out that color, slide up and down again, and you'll get different variations. For right now, I'm kind of feeling a little Casper. I think I'll go with this ghostly pale complexion. And then once you have your face and color that you like, you can hit this plus icon to move on to the next section. Now onto the lock section, there's obviously a lot of different options here. Maybe you want your hair to stand up. Maybe you want your avatar to look like Elvis. Maybe he has aspirations of becoming an Elvis impersonator. Personally, in my real life, I'm pretty prone to cowlicks, so I'll rock with that for now. But that's not all. There's also these color sliders up here, just like in the last section. So just grab onto that and change the color of your hair any way you like. I think maybe I'll go with a little orange hue. You can also use the bottom color slider to change the color of the highlights. Now when you get to the eyes section, you can really make emotion come out for your avatar. Maybe you want your avatar to be a little suspicious, maybe a little scared even, or maybe they're a little angry today. I definitely like the wide eyes. Now when you get to the lips, there's definitely quite a few options here as well. Maybe you want to rock with the pearly whites. Maybe you want that little tongue action right there with those nice teeth. Definitely some nice teeth, that's a nice choice. Or maybe you want some fangs. Maybe your avatar is a vampire. I'm gonna go with this nice little smile though. Pretty basic and simple, I like that. Now choosing your avatar's nose is definitely one of my favorite sections, honestly. You could go with a really sharp nose, maybe a button nose, or maybe you're into geometry and want an angle. That's pretty nice. But I've been going pretty simple and basic. I'll choose that little nose right there. That's a good one. Now when it comes to the tattoos, you can either choose to have them or not. Right now you can't really see them because my avatar is wearing a button down, but you can change that later. I'll go without them for now. Now when it comes to the backgrounds, there's definitely so many different options. This one kind of makes you look like you're a part of the Looney Tunes squad. The one next to it, maybe you're a Victorian era child, and that's what you want to go with. Or maybe you're feeling festive pretty early. Maybe you want to rock with the red and green. That's fine. There's some TwinFlame options. You can, rock with the brand. I definitely like the purple. This is definitely my favorite, I think, but there's obviously a lot of good ones. Now with the banners, you can decide to display your sign or not, or any other sign really. You can go plain, but I'm a Libra. I'm definitely gonna show that off. Now we're at the lid section, which just clearly has a bunch of different options. I really like the bandana. I think it seems like my avatar's going on Survivor, which he definitely would not do well on, but maybe he'll get accepted one day. Or you could go with the last option, the devil horns. Halloween is coming up, guys. I definitely like the specs section since I do wear glasses in real life. But there's, different sunglasses you could rock with if you want to be one of the coolest avatars on the block. But, I'll just showcase that, I don't have 20/20 vision and I'm proud of it. Now, this is probably going to be a lot of people's favorite section, the threads options. There are so many. Maybe you want to look like a cool biker. Maybe you want to go pretty simple. We got those options. Maybe you want overalls. Maybe you're working on a farm or just you're feeling overalls today. Who knows? Or you could, maybe you have a meeting, a very important meeting. Maybe you need that suit and tie. I'll definitely go with something pretty basic. But again, there's this color slider, so feel free to change the color of that shirt. And if you hit the plus sign again, you will be back at the first section. And from here, you can make any changes you want. And then you can go ahead and hit that check mark up at the top when you're done. And there mine is. There are obviously so many different options to make your avatar unique. Here are just a few different looks you could choose from. There are also some really cool things, maybe they're a little bit secretive in the avatar customization that you'll definitely want to keep an eye out for. So go ahead and hop on the TwinFlame app and start customizing your avatar. And thank you so much for using TwinFlame.